What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning, and welcome to not the nicest update, which we will do today, but it's on Solana, which has made even lower lows than after what happened with FTX and the entire FTX hack. Right now we're at $11.66. Not fully unexpected, but that we dropped this low was definitely unexpected. So in this video, we'll talk about the fundamentals, why this is happening. We'll also talk about the technicals, like what can we expect? Can we find some support soon, or is it just done with? So let's get right into it. First, a quick recap of what I said yesterday. For that, we have to zoom into the 1 hour time frame. I said yesterday that it was looking pretty clear that we were in this kind of market structure, right? I mean, we were finding resistance here, a lot of bearish momentum coming on top of us. And then we did have some support right here, as you can see, around, well, let's say 12.5 all the way up to 12.75. But we already kind of broke that yesterday afternoon. And then we definitely broke that in the evening. And then we also broke down below 12.5. And I thought we would find some support right here at like $12, which we did. But then just with continuing bearish fundamental news in the market, all right? I think that's the main reason still. It's just still aftermath of what happened with FTX. Like the FTX hacker was dumping Ethereum yesterday. I mean, that doesn't help. It brings back fear. And apart from that, the economic fundamentals that also affect crypto have become a little bit more bullish, which is bearish for crypto. Like the dollar index has become a little bit more bullish. That's bearish for crypto. And yesterday, when this entire move started, the volume of Solana was just really low. So what happens when you have low volume? You have more volatility. And if the market is then filled with fear, what are people going to do? They're going to sell, and you have no volume to catch those sell orders. So you'll drop down in price. So we dropped down even lower. Well, right now I am kind of tempted to stay in a 1 hour time frame, because then you can see that we have found support at 11.5 kind of. And that really is our last support. Like here around 11.5, 11.4, that is our last support. And whether we can hold that or not, I think it's way too early to say for me. It might be good to take a look at the daily. There you can see that it's, it's really like 11.55. There's not really that much of a level at 11.4. This is the entire level that's our support right now. So the strongest level, I think, is 11.5. But if that breaks, what will you drop down to? This level right here, between 9.25 and let's say $10. So I think this is something you should definitely take into consideration, because it looks more likely, it looks more and more likely that a drop to $10 is possible. I mean, if you purely look at the technicals, you can still see that we're in a very bearish market structure. And that we haven't found that strong of a support at 11.5. So the thing is, if we break through 11.5, unfortunately, I think we'll continue dropping back down to probably 10.5 and also $10, which I don't think Solana deserves, but purely technically, that's the only logical thing I can say. And if we are able to kind of stay on top of 11.55 for the next 2 or 3 days, then we could actually start talking about some more bullish momentum, but and then I will cover that in an update, because in this video I don't think it makes any sense to start talking about this when I think it might be likely that we hold on top of 11.5, but getting more bullish momentum seems very far away. So 11.55 right now, and 11.5 is really the most important level to keep in mind. Now, if that breaks, we might be in some more trouble even. So yeah, that's my take, at least technically and in price on Solana. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, take care and bye.